Alright guys, so here I am working on a 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So the customer brought it in because the oil pan was leaking, and I recently haven't seen many videos on how to do this. Also, he wants to get the starter replaced, which is deep inside there, but I haven't seen many videos, and it's actually quite easy. I went ahead and jacked it up right on the trans, just slightly. You don't want to crack that bell housing. I removed the bolts for this mount, that mount, and the two trans ones that are back there, and I actually jacked it up, and you can actually wiggle it out of there. Let me show you guys how. If you turn it, be very careful with this radiator. You don't want to mess that up. Sea lines won't let me get through. Take the dipstick out, put that back in after. Turn it, you should be able to get it out. Alright, there you go. And that is how the oil pan comes out. Now, this gasket is new. I actually did this a while ago. I put a new motor in it. The only thing I did forget to do is put some fippage on these areas. As you can see here, it doesn't have any, and oil was just dripping out of there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a new gasket. It's 8 o'clock. I'm gonna go ahead and get a new gasket and then come back and install it. But he also wants a starter replaced because it left them out on the road, and that starter might actually be easier to get to now because it's right here. So I might be able to get to it right here. You can see there's oil just dripping right there from where I didn't put any fippage on it. So we're gonna go ahead and do the starter. Might go get the gasket right now. You have to get these two bolts right here, and the starter should just fall in. It's real easy, nothing hard, nothing complicated. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. This. Let's try to fit this in there so we can get it. It's real hard to show you guys, but I'm gonna try to see. And just like that, the starter is off. Let's go ahead and replace that really quick. The new starter in right there. I'm trying to see if I can prop you guys up on something, but we got the new starter up. That's a 13 mil. I went ahead and just, hand started the bolts from the back, zapped it on, and that's it. Now we're gonna move on to this oil pan. I have to clean all this, do some brake clean all this. Don't forget to add fippage to these corners, or else it will leak. We'll have what happened here. So let me go ahead and get that all cleaned up. There it is, AZ. I called to see if they had the part in. The real question is, do they actually have it? Because the amount of times I call and they say they have something and then they don't is ridiculous. But they come in clutch most of the time. Let's go get this part. Got the gasket. It's just a Felpro gasket. I was gonna reuse it because it's literally been like a couple weeks since I put that in, but last thing I want to do is do it over, so let's just do it right the first time, right? Let's head back to the shop. Let's go get this Jeep out of our lives and continue to the next car. about 2 hours, 2.5 hours to do. And I think the starter just itself says 2.5 hours. So do both, save yourself some time, save yourself some money. It's not that hard. I'm gonna throw the dipstick in right now and then get all this torqued down. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.